Assalamu alaikum. This is the first time that I'm visiting a refugee village with UNHCR. Today I'm visiting the Panya village in Haripur. I've met all these children here. I've looked into their eyes. These children who've seen way too much for their age. Yet they choose to smile, to dream, to play. These children-friendly spaces, these are not just safe spaces for children, but for their childhood to bloom again, for them to heal. On this World Refugee Day, I carry the voices of all these children and all the refugees in my heart. Let us honor their strength. Let us act with kindness, compassion, courage, and commitment. Every child deserves to be safe. Every child deserves to feel loved, to be safe, and to have their right to education. Today and every day, let's work towards their betterment.